Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the global resource reset issue in Minecraft. This error usually happens when your resource packs or game settings are reset due to corruption, updates, or storage problems. First, restart Minecraft and check if your resource packs are still available because sometimes they fail to load only temporarily. Next, check your resources and manually re-enable them in the Resource Packs menu. Go to Options, then open Resource Packs and re-enable your preferred resource packs manually. After that, make sure you are logged into the correct Microsoft account because your packs are linked to your profile. If your resource packs are missing, clear them completely and re-download them again to fix corrupted or broken resource data. Also, make sure your device has enough free storage because low storage can prevent resource packs from saving properly. Finally, update Minecraft to the latest version to fix any bugs related to resource syncing. The simple rule is that when global resources reset, your packs are not loading or syncing correctly, and re-enabling or re-downloading them usually fixes the issue. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft global resource reset issue by re-enabling resource packs, checking account login, freeing storage space, and updating the game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.